How to make marble effect on fondant. In this video, I'm going to teach you the easy step by step on how you can make marble effect on your fondant. So these are my old fondant. I'm just going to be working on them. So if you are working on old fondant, if you notice that the fondant is dry, you can add water. If you notice the fondant is too light or is kind of bringing out water from it, you can add CMC to it to make it strong. So I'm just going to knead this now because I noticed the fondant is kind of dry. Then I'm going to use my rolling pin to ground it. So just watch the video.
In the kitchen where the magic starts, mixing flavors, baking from the heart. Trash cakes where dreams come true. Every slice a taste made just for you. Whisk it, mix it, feel the thrill. Every batter makes time stand still. Sugar sprinkles on top so sweet. Butter icing can't be beat. Whisk it, mix it, feel the thrill. Every batter makes time stand still. Born from the oven, joy of brew.
So after grinding it, I'm going to knead the fondant again.
Cake so fluffy, happiness grew. Whisk it, mix it, feel the thrill. Every batter makes time stand still. Sugar sprinkles on top so sweet.
So to make marble effect, I'm just going to be rolling out my fondant depending on the colors I'm going to be using. You can use about 3 to 5 colors depending on the cake you are making, but me, I'm using just 2 colors. So I'm just going to be rolling my fondant as if I'm making paneling method of covering cake. So I'm going to be rolling it out like this. Then I'm going to be adding the 2 colors together. So you see what I am doing now. I'm going to add them together. Then I'm going to fold it depending on the design I'm making. So you can see how I'm folding mine now. I'm going to fold it like this, then fold it into kind of panelly shape again. So you see what I'm doing. I'm just going to make sure that all the colors are mixed together. That's the reason why I'm doing this. So for this cake, I'm going to be using full covering method to cover this cake. I'm not going to be using paneling method. So once I'm done doing this, I'm just going to roll it into a ball shape. Once I get the shape I'm looking for, the colors I'm looking for, I'm just going to roll it into ball shape, then roll it out with my rolling pin.
In the kitchen where the magic starts, mixing flavors, baking from the heart. Trash cakes where dreams come true. Every slice a taste made just for you. Whisk it, mix it, feel the thrill. Every batter makes time stand still. Sugar sprinkles on top so sweet. Butter icing can't be beat. Whisk it, mix it, feel the thrill. Every batter makes time stand still. Born from the oven, joy of brew. Cake so fluffy, happiness.
So I'm just going to be measuring out my fondant that I've rolled to see if it is the same measurement with my dummy. I'm going to be covering this I'm going to be using dummy for this tutorial. I'm not going to be using cake. So if you don't know how to cover dummy with fondant, so this video is going to be helpful for you.
It makes it feel the thrill. Every batter makes time stand still. Sugar sprinkles on top so sweet. Butter icing can't be beat. Whiskey mix it, feel the thrill. Every batter makes time stand still. Warm from the oven, joy of brew. Cake so fluffy,
So I'm just going to
happiness
be
grew.
rubbing water on my dummy so that the fondant will be able to stick. If you don't know how to prepare your dummy before covering it with your fondant, please let me know in the comment section if you want me to do a video on that. Because when you are making some wedding cakes, your customers might ask you to make some cake and some will be dummy. So if you know that you want me to do a video on that, just let me know in the comment section how to prepare your dummy before you cover it with your fondant. So I'm just going to be covering it. I said I'm using full covering method for this, so you see what I'm doing. So when you are covering with full covering method, it's just like you are putting on a shirt, then just for you to be spreading it out. Some this method of covering is easier for them, while some is paneling method. For me, I prefer this method, though it's harder, but I'm more used to this method. So this is it for how to cover your dummy with fondant. So for the paneling method, you can see for the I mean for the marble effect, you can see how the effect is looking on the fondant.
In the kitchen where the magic starts, mixing flavors, baking from the heart. Trash cakes where dreams come true. Every slice a taste made just for you.
So once I'm
Whiskey
done
makes it
covering it, I'm
feel
just going
the
to be
thrill.
making my sharp edge
Every batter makes time stand
on my
still.
fondant.
Sugar sprinkles on top so sweet. Butter icing can't be beat. Whiskey makes it feel the thrill. Every batter makes time stand still. Born from the oven, joy of brew. Cake so fluffy, happiness grew. Whiskey makes it feel the thrill. Every batter makes time stand still. Sugar sprinkles on top so sweet. Butter icing can't be beat. Whiskey makes it feel the thrill. Every batter makes time stand still. Warm from the oven, joy of brew. Cake so fluffy, happiness grew.
So once I'm done making my sharp edge, the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to cover my board. I'm not using the marble effect for my board. I'm just using a plain white fondant on my board. So I'm going to be rolling out the plain fondant, then use paneling method to cover it. If you watch my previous video, you know how I used to cover my board with paneling method, but I'm still going to be teaching it in this video.
In the kitchen where the magic starts, mixing flavors, baking from the heart. Trash cakes where dreams come true. Every slice a taste made just for you. Whiskey makes it feel the thrill. Every batter makes time stand still. Sugar sprinkles on top so sweet. Butter icing can't be beat. Whiskey makes it feel the thrill. Every batter makes time stand still. Born from the oven,
So if you like this video, please subscribe, comment and
cake
share.
so fluffy,
Thank you for
happy
watching this
this
video. I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.
in the kitchen where the magic starts. Mixing flavors, baking from the heart. Trash cakes where dreams come true. Every slice a taste made just for you. Whiskey makes it feel the thrill. Every batter makes time stand still. Sugar sprinkles on top so sweet. Butter icing can't be beat. Whiskey makes it feel the thrill. Every batter makes time stand still. Born from the oven, joy of brew. Cake so fluffy, happiness grew. Whiskey makes it feel the thrill. Every batter makes time stand still. Sugar sprinkles on top so sweet. Butter icing can't be beat. Whiskey makes it feel the thrill. Every batter makes time stand still. Warm from the oven, joy of brew. Cake so fluffy, happiness grew.